Looking for beautiful specimens that you can display outdoors in dappled light? Here's a list of the best outdoor indirect sunlight plants for containers that will help you out. Begonia. Most begonia varieties are grown mainly for their unique, striking foliage. The plant produces frilly and large flowers for months and loves to thrive in indirect sunlight. Persian shield. If you're looking for an attractive foliage outdoor plant that loves shade, then go for this one. In the right growing conditions, it displays silver and purple blooms. Coleus. Coleus is best known for its several layers of shades and spikes of lavender and blue flowers. This plant prefers partial shade from bright sunlight and is quite tolerant to heat. Caladium. Caladium looks charming with its stunning leaves in any shadowy corner. However, this gorgeous plant is toxic, and you should place it out of reach of animals and children. Fuchsia. You can find fuchsia in various shapes and sizes, with double or single bicolored flowers that sway like tall earrings in the breeze. It flourishes in indirect sunlight. Oxalis. Grow this plant in any spot with indirect sunlight and relish the beauty of yellow, pink, white, or red flowers in clovers. Creeping Jenny. Creeping Jenny is usually sold as a spiller for containers, and it attractively cascades over the edges of the container or a hanging planter. It gets best color in bright, indirect light. Ivy. Ivy is one of the best outdoor indirect sunlight plants for containers. To add to its look, you can grow it in tall or wide containers and pair it with colored foliage plants on this list. Elephant ear plant. With heart-shaped large leaves borne on flat stalks, this plant can look interesting. It is best to grow it in big-sized containers outdoors in tropical and subtropical places. Impatiens. Impatiens is a common succulent with contrasting dark green leaves, stems, and vibrant flowers. It looks beautiful. About 3 to 4 plants can thrive well in a 12 to 14-inch container. Croton. This plant can display various leaf colors in red, bronze, green, gold, and yellow. It is quite a champ when it comes to growing in shade, but gets the best color in bright, indirect light. Wishbone flower. Wishbone flower is a bushy, low-growing annual that usually grows 6 to 12 inches tall. It is most valued for its potential to bloom even in shaded conditions. Chameleon plant. A chameleon plant can grow well in a pot in a spot that enjoys partial indirect sunlight. It produces dark green leaves blotched with pink, red, and cream. Hosta. This plant shows off ribbed large leaves in a cluster at the base. This plant is often prized for its heavily fragrant flowers in summer. Calla lily. Calla lily is a semi-evergreen perennial or herbaceous that grows from rhizomes. The plant features tubular flowers with pointy tips and finger-like soft spadix at the center. Ferns. Ferns grow best in temperate and tropical areas and thrive equally well on rocks and soil. You can display them in hanging baskets too for an added appeal. Heuchera. Heuchera are popular for their robust, gorgeous foliage. They are ideal for a container garden with a wide range of intense colors and need low maintenance. Philodendron. Grow philodendrons outdoors in containers in indirect sunlight for their gorgeous foliage. You can find cultivars that are red, coppery, and purple too. Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreens belong to the genus Aglaonema and are tropical Asian perennials. With colorful or silvery patterns on leathery leaves, these plants are durable and tolerant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!